Guys, we're going to have a little bit of new math vocabulary. We talked about parallel lines, and we talked about how those two L's in the word parallel are parallel. They run alongside each other, and they're never going to get closer together or further apart, and we can follow them for miles and miles, and they'll never touch, and they'll always be the same distance apart. Our new vocabulary on types of lines is perpendicular lines. And I want you to take the backbone of the D in the word perpendicular and extend it, and then I want you to put a line right underneath it. Perpendicular lines meet at a perfect square corner, or they meet like at a T. And I'll show you a few more examples there. These are perpendicular lines where they meet at a perfect square corner or a T. Sometimes when you have a shape like this, and they remember that lines are named by their end points, and if they wanted you to tell if A, B, or C, D are parallel or perpendicular, sometimes it's easiest to exaggerate those lines or make them a little bigger. So a lot of times I'll just use like two pencils. Like I'm going to put that one on line AB and this one on line CD. And when I extend them and exaggerate them like that, it's very easy to see that they are parallel. They'll never get closer or further apart. And if they wanted to know if AD and line CD were perpendicular, if I just put my pencils on those or extend them out, once I've done that and I've exaggerated them, I can see they're perpendicular because they are intersecting at a perfect square corner or kind of like a T shape. So we may be using that strategy on our Saxons whenever we have complicated shapes or a model with a lot of lines, and they're asking us to determine if they are parallel or perpendicular. Go to the video that I linked in the description. It's a really cute little rap song about parallel lines and perpendicular lines.